how to log in Exodus wallet account, Exodus wallet sign in. So if you want to log into your Exodus wallet account, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Exodus wallet app, and this is the type of interface you will see. If you do not have a wallet, tap on the option that says create wallet. If you have a wallet, tap on I have a wallet option. Now you can simply choose to restore your wallet using QR code with Exodus on another device, using a backup vault, using your 12-word secret recovery phrase, or using your hardware ledger device. Depending upon whatever it is comfortable with, if you have your recovery phrase, enter your recovery phrase and tap on the next option and you'll be able to log in. You can use a backup vault, which means if you have backed up your Exodus wallet to your Google Drive, you can simply select your Google account, check if there is any sort of backup, and if there is, you'll be able to restore them. That's all it takes for you to log into Exodus wallet account. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.